Hello guys, my name is Abhimat and you are watching Abhimat's Magic Tech channel. So today I will show 3 separate magics and at last I will tell you how to do them. So the first magic, I am going to cut my thumb. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Oh, there's my thumb. Let me fix it. Yeah, there we go. Here's our thumb. Okay, let's do the next magic. Our next magic is one cut smaller and one cut bigger. So here's one card. You won't believe that this card is bigger than this because both have same sizes. So see, let's see the magic now. What it tells. See. See again. Have you saw? Is this magic? Let's see the last magic. So the last magic is the blue ball vanish. So you could not believe that in this magic you can vanish one blue ball. Let's check it out. So for this magic, see, here's a jar and she has a blue ball in it. Let's vanish. And now let's see. It's still in it. Let's do the magic again. Now let's check it out. Vanished! Yay! Now let's bring it back again. Here's the blue ball. Yes, we got it. Let's see the magics. Riddles. Let's see how to do this all. First magic. I don't really cut my finger off. Yeah, I show you a 3, 2, 1. But my finger comes here. And I just act that it had fallen on the ground. See? But it goes mad. Anywhere. It does not go anywhere. Okay. So let's see the next magic. Next magic is very simple. This card magic is so simple because here's for the design. It looks bigger and it looks smaller if we catch like this. And if you do the reverse, it will also be same. Nothing happens. The design itself it happens. I also, when I did this first time, I was confused that how it happens. After that I learned. Next magic and last magic. I show you first the ball, then I keep it up. Then I do. But I still do is open it like this. But here's one more place here. I show you and cover it and then you will see that nothing is in it. And you would be able to understand that nothing is here, but I keep it aside with the cap on my table. See? And it's a fake ball actually. And before starting the magic, I keep a ball here or anywhere else, anything. And I do here and touch it here like this and do it here. So did you like our video? Then very much. Thank you.